Hi there, in this video we take a deeper dive into the role of the Scrum Master, what they do within the Scrum team and why they're so important. If you're new to this channel, my name is Teo. I'm a certified project management coach, but I also have 15 years experience managing projects and programs across a variety of industries and top organizations. I've helped people accelerate their careers, land their dream jobs, and some have become more efficient at what they do simply by following my guidance. If that sounds like something that is of interest to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You could also click the bell icon and that will notify you of any new videos we release on this channel. We have already covered the basics of what a Scrum Master does in a previous video. You could refer to that video by clicking the link above, or you could follow the link in the video description. So what does the Scrum Master do and why are they so important? Let's jump straight into it.
In a nutshell, the Scrum Master is the team role responsible for ensuring the team lives Agile values and principles and follows the processes and practices that the team agreed they would use. The Scrum Master is responsible for promoting and supporting Scrum. Scrum Masters do this by helping everyone understand the Scrum theory, practices, rules, and values. The Scrum Master takes the instructions from the product owner and ensures that the tasks are performed accordingly. The role may involve facilitating the daily Scrum and sprint initiatives, or communicating between the team members regarding the evolving requirements and planning, but could also include coaching the team members on delivering the results.
As part of my bonus tips, I share some major pitfalls you should be aware of as a Scrum Master at the end of this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. I also provide you with information on how you could get my free Scrum cheat sheet. You don't want to miss that. Let's go back into it.
The 5 core responsibilities of the Scrum Master role include 1. Clearing obstacles. The Scrum Master is someone that can address distractions, disruptions, and obstacles so that the remainder of the team is free to focus on the work of producing output that will generate the desired outcome. Number 2. Establishing an environment where the team can be effective. Helping the development team to create high-value products. Planning Scrum implementations within the organization and facilitating Scrum events as requested or needed are also part of what the Scrum Master does. They also engage in administrative tasks such as conducting meetings, facilitating collaboration, and eliminating hurdles which are affecting the project progress. These all fall within the responsibilities of the Scrum Master. Number 3. Addressing team dynamics. Coaching the development team in an organization or environment where Scrum is not yet fully understood is also part of what the Scrum Master does. They help with enacting any necessary change that will aid in increasing the productivity of the Scrum team.
Quick question, do you experience more of internal distractions within your team, or do you experience more of external distractions from people outside of your immediate team? I'd like to know your answer, so please make sure you leave your answer in the comment section down below.
Number 4. Ensuring a good relationship between the development team, the product owner, as well as others outside the team. This role is also responsible for managing external coordination with the organization and the product owner. They serve as a mediator. This responsibility is important as it enables the development team focus on what they should be doing, which is developing. Number 5. Protecting the team from outside interruptions and distractions. This sometimes means shielding the team members from external interferences and distractions. This is required in order to ensure that each member follows the requirements presented by the product backlog with efficiency. As part of my bonus tips, I share some important things you should be aware of. Firstly, a Scrum Master is not a project manager and should not be made to play that role. Principles of Agile emphasize servant leadership. Traditional project management is typically a command and control approach. Using this approach will not work in a Scrum environment. Secondly, it is important not to allocate the roles of a Scrum Master to someone who is not experienced in working in an Agile setting. The roles mentioned above have to be carried out by an experienced Scrum Master who knows the fundamentals of Agile and Scrum. Thirdly, the workload of a Scrum Master will depend on the Scrum maturity of the team. A more mature Agile team will not require as much coaching in Agile as a less mature team. In such cases, the Scrum Master can manage multiple Agile teams, thus providing considerable savings for the organization.
If you're interested in knowing how to manage your project from start to finish with little or no experience, or maybe you're interested in roles like a business analyst or a project management office lead, then you're in the right place. We have a specific course for you and we have very good discounts at this point. So make sure you check the link in the video description. Our hands-on trainings are conveniently scheduled at weekends or at evenings on weekdays to cater for the working class. They provide you the experience managing a real-life project. Follow the link in the video description down below and register, and you could benefit from a huge early bird discount we're offering at the moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep in touch. Make sure you watch this video right here, and that will give you some of the basic information on the Scrum framework. I'll see you in the next video.